You'll have love at first sight with the 2019 Honda Odyssey. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a close look at this Honda Odyssey. It's the dynamic family minivan that sets the standard for safety, comfort, and convenience. From its smart technology to its ingenious passenger luxuries and powerful performance, this family vehicle has your back. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, backup camera, lane keeping assist, power liftgate. Assure your family's safety and comfort. Drive the Honda Odyssey.